Hey everybody, Kathy here, coming from the door of my bedroom. I don't have anything special for you today. I just had a James Taylor song in my head and felt like doing one of my little tweaks, word tweaks. So here it is. See if you know the tune, and if you don't like what I've done to it, no cards or letters, please. You guys don't know my address anyway, most of you, so it doesn't matter. Here we go. Each night and every morning, I wish Corona you were gone. Can't wait till social distancing puts an end to you. Walked out this morning with my mask and gloves on. I might just get fined if I don't remember to. Well, I'm so bored I'm gonna go insane. Seems like this quarantine will never end. Gets lonely when you can't hang out with a friend. But I know someday I'll see you again. Oh, won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. I'm tired of singing happy birthday twice as I wash each hand. But they say I won't make it any other way. I'm so bored I think I'll go insane. Seems like this quarantine will never end. It gets lonely when you can't hang out with a friend. But I know someday I'll see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time when we could all bask in the sun. Beach so crowded you could barely walk around. Remember? Now we're stuck inside for hours at a time on our computers and cell phones. Sweet dreams of gatherings and pieces on the ground. Well, I'm so bored I think I'll go insane. Seems like this quarantine will never end. It gets lonely when you can't hang out with a friend. But I know someday I'll see you again. Yes, I know someday I'll see you again. And that's that.